Harshad waits for a moment. He can play to DK. This can be a goal. And Manish Thakre, I don't know if it's his goal or whose. Daksh Malhotra. Shanup. And this is Manish Thakre who might go for it with the left foot. He does. So the goal which wasn't working out in the free. Rishabh, that's good from him. It's so good from Darlings. That should have been a goal. Amazing passing. Rishabh. That can work out. Daksh Malhotra trying to turn it. This is a pass and that can be an equalizer found. Prithviraj Mane. Ecstatic. Rishabh. Rhythm. And through the gap attempted. Yes, it's inside. Wow. Just like that, the game. Rhythm. Not yet done. Passes it. And Darlings might get it in. They have. Rhythm with the fourth goal. Daksh Malhotra on the edge of the. Prithviraj Satav. Daksh out towards Ani. Ani goes for the strike. Lalit blocks it, but the rebound. It's vicious. Prithviraj Satav. Can this be the ball? Wakar FC find the second one. And they are far from done. Wakar FC. They need two more. Shubham Portgan finally. As they stand, they are still fifth. Free kick. Struck in. Very good. Lalit Patil. And they found. Lalit Patil scores it. Rishabh Raj loses the ball. Wakar FC feeling it with the left foot. Shubham Portgan. Shanup rather. And this can be horrifying. This can be a goal. It is. Stylish one by Harshad. 4-5. Darlings. Do they need to... Prithviraj Satav. That's easy for Pankaj without moving. Rhythm. One-on-one. And that might be the winner. The Darlings were looking. Shubham Portgan. Intervening header. Harshad. Now on to the gap. But this is Rishabh Raj with the steal. Oh, Rishabh Raj. Phenomenal. In which... that could have been an advantage played.